This 2026 Coachmen Nova MTRH is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen and features a high-gloss maple interior, sleeps 2 and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B RV features rear bath. This 2026 Coachmen Nova MTRH is built on a Ram Pro Master 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.